In this lesson we will understand how we can update the cards. So we created the cards and then formatted them. Now we can update them easily based on records. Let us see. We will be updating our cards according to the columns now. First we will create any chart and then update the card values based on the chart. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve it. So here was our Power BI. Under Amit_Power BI project, we created a cards page and we have set 3 cards. Okay, we can just align them like this. Now let us see how we can update the cards based on columns. Now guys, what we'll do, we'll go to visualization section and click on the filled map, and here it is. Okay, now I'll select sum of sales based on state, and here it is. Okay, now what will happen? This will show you sales in a particular state. It will update. Now let's say I want for Arizona. When I kept my mouse cursor, it's visible, but I'll click here and now your card will also change completely. Here it is. It was 35,000. That means 35k, and it's visible here, sum of sales. When I'll keep here again, the state was Arizona. Okay. So in this way guys, we also updated our sales. Now let's say I'll click on Washington and you can see it updated. Okay, sum of sales were around 138k and the same is visible, 138k, and when you'll keep the mouse cursor, you can easily verify. So in this way guys, we updated the card accordingly. After selecting the field map visual, we saw the sales according to states by just selecting it, and it updated the cards accordingly. Thank you for watching the video.